Hello Citroen lovers, as you can see, all this morning I was working on driver's side control arm. Last year I have changed that rear bushing on the passenger side, and thought why not to change the other one, because I have already seen from the wheel, when the wheel was removed, that it has some cracks. So yeah. And previously, moments ago, you have seen how difficult it was to remove, and you have seen what's the problem and in what condition this bushing really is. So it's cracked, it's moving forward and backwards, and of course it's not good for the car. And at least for the past kilometers I didn't feel anything bad at all. Maybe a few times I've heard a bang, but it was not all the time. So I think this was the case. So let's remove it and replace with new one. And you have seen that there is a quite significant amount of work here. So I will replace this one. At least I will try to replace this one, because I have a spare one and I don't want to mess with this control arm again. So let's go. Before placing the new one on, I will try to replace this one. I'm planning to use some tubes and some threaded rod as in other cases on this car. There I have new one. Let's try to remove it. If it will go out, I will place new one. Yeah, so as you can see, the threaded rod was too weak and it snapped. I guess I won't be able to take it out because it's too hard. There's too much force holding it in place. So I wasn't able to remove that bushing myself. So I gave it to the shop. They will use a press tool and will replace it. So nothing bad. This car will run. There is an interesting fact. That rear bushing of that control arm has quite few different part numbers and constructions, and usually it's not that one which I have in this car. Most of the time it has different form, and that part which you can see with wires, there is a height sensor, and most of the time it's fastened straight onto that rear bushing. But in my case, it's fastened with a rivet straight onto the subframe. So my rear bushing differs from other cars, other Citroen C5s. So be careful in choosing that part. And while waiting for the bushing to be replaced, on that control arm. I have checked this one, and it moves quite easily also, so I won't save. I have a spare ones, as I said, and I will replace this one also. All rubber parts will be replaced on this side. Firstly, take out this bolt. It's on my way. So sadly, but I was not able to replace this by myself. So I gave it to the car repair shop, and they replaced it for €4. So it would cost me really more, a lot more, to replace all that piece, or just to replace those bushings separately, because they would have to disassemble this part from the car. So now, big savings. This part is new. Let's put this part new also. So firstly, don't forget to put that protective.